What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to make your first game. Alright, this is going to be a how to make an obby. I'm going to comment down below what you want to see more of. But first, when you make this obby, you want to keep this base plate. Do not delete the base plate. Just, seriously, do not delete the base plate. So first, what you want to start off with is probably just insert a block. Why I'm telling you not to delete the base plate, you can scale where you want your platform to be, Anyway, let's just black color and then scale. Let's just scale this. And let's just make our little platform right here. Control D, Control R. Control R. Okay. And then just make this green. You don't really have to design it. If you want, you could just make it black. Next, what you want to do, you want to make a spawn. What I suggest is go to this little arrow by the spawn, right-click on this decal thing, and cut. And now, click on the spawn, go to this filter properties, and just do TR. I should show you this. Click on here. If you can just do this if you want, but you can also just delete this and type one. Now we have an invisible spawn right here. Okay. Next, what I would do, this model that I made by Magma Studio. If you guys didn't know, it does have a different name, but I've done the script for you. It was actually some quite scripting. It's not that easy, everybody. So, when you made the spawning, you're gonna go all the way up. I'll just make another platform right here. As if you want, you could delete the base plate, but it wouldn't be as easy. And then search up the toolbox. Another model I made. It is called. What is it called? Checkpoint. I'm doing all these scripts for you, so obby checkpoint. Spawn location. And when you place this down, you want to scale up a little bit like this. And keep this name as checkpoint. Hold up, guys. Alright, let's go back. This obby it says Roblox. That was developed by me or Roblox. Anyway, guys. I'm recording YouTube.
Okay. Do I have something in my nose?
I don't know. Okay, guys, don't mind that. Anyway, we may want to duplicate some of these. Or just go put them over here. I think this is the last one. Alright, yeah. So you can make this obvious one, but for me, it's fine. Obby kit. Well, anyway, next what we'll do is ball jumps. So, just, yeah, that's fine. Now let's place it. You're gonna want to move this. Don't make it too hard, easy for the other players. You want this obby to be hard. What I suggest is making a free Raux obby because those are the best. Just kidding, everybody. Wish I could speed it up. I'm not. I'm not. I don't. I like editing. I just wish I could speed stuff up. Guys, tell me if you know how to like speed videos up. Don't make it too easy. That's what I like doing. Not that easy. Let's place this maybe right here. Let's just do one more. And you can color the ball jumps if you want. I feel like these are too close together, but it's fine. Okay. Now color them if you want. That's what I'll do. Orange. Uh, Yellow. Let's make this one green. Blue. Purple. And then let's just do pink. Alright. So, let's click this block. Let's, okay, there. Alright, before we go any further, let's just test out our game. And guys, what you guys, I think, have been scared of is like, if, you're scared going into it. Let's just see. See, my model works. Okay, so, complete this. It's a bit buggy, I'll fix it. So, next stage. Oh, I know. I know why this is. I haven't. I know. Okay. You guys are like, whoa, why do you keep saying, I know. So, where is it? Let's make that anchored. Then, yeah, that's good. Um, so, let's just, let's wait. I've anchored them. Anchoring is it's a really tricky part about Roblox. Oh, let's see if the checkpoints. Oh man, I pressed that. Okay. We actually have to anchor everything. I think everything is anchored. I don't know. Okay. We want to reset. Let's see if the checkpoints work. Alright, the checkpoints work. Then let's just do the ball jumps real quick to see if they are possible. Because sometimes mouse is laggy. Alright, hopefully you guys are finding this useful. Because next time I might make a kit. Anyway. Search another free model. lava jump. Alright. Working. So is his sponge. This is if you guys actually didn't know, I did the scripting of this. This person did the building. Yeah, I'm not even lying. Shout out to him. He I can't believe it actually popped up right away. Maybe it's pretty popular. Okay, let's just put that. Let's just see if he did anything. Hopefully he wasn't messing with this. The base. Okay, let's look at the base real quick. Is it anchored? It is. Alright, perfect. We made the lava jumps. I mean, we didn't make it. We just have it finished. So guys, you can finish this obby with your own ideas. Comment down below. I'll just send you a quick video of what you want in your obby. I'll do it, sure. Um,
Hey, Devil, there's pizza down there if you want some.
Alright. I have this next point. Alright. So, you guys can make another stage if you guys want, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm sorry. Hold up. Before we do anything, let's just put all this. Let's group it. And then let's name this model obby. So it has all of these. But what you want to make sure is that all of this stuff is anchored. If it's not anchored, let me just delete these two. Sorry guys, I'm thinking of something. Um, next, let's just make the ending will end with a cutscene. Not just. I mean, you guys can do that, but that'd be kind of weird. It would take some scripting too. Make this maybe a little bit. And you guys can mess around. You can do win obby for admin tag. I'm just gonna do this. Touch to get admin. Hold up. Let's make an Easter egg. Perfect. Okay. Let's just make sure this is anchored. Well, that's called admin. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Perfect. So, what I recommend is this has one bad thing. Trello. If this should be true for you probably. And then temp admin player. And at the end, so it's a pretty long script. Okay. Boom. Parents dot script uh, player touched slash pet dot child humanoid root part. Now you actually get added. Oh, that. Got all this. Okay, one more part. Delete the base plate. The base plate has just kind of been helping you a little bit. But let's test out our game. I can make a kit of a game if you guys wanted to. It's fine. I can make you guys game. Anything for you. You're like my Alright guys. See? Touch it, you get killed. Let's go to workspace real quick. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Lobby. Where is this? Lava checkers. You gotta find the script. I don't know where the script is. It's fine though. Maybe the base just has the script in it. Oh my god. Right. I just want to finish this. Oh my god. Alright guys. You guys can just enjoy your hobby. Hopefully you guys if you did smash the like button. And the next tutorial can be anything. Anyway guys, that'll be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next video. And bye.